Look, guys, I found this article on Wiki, how to do anything. It's how you can make your own coin ring at home. I know we have some people out there who still think that making coin rings is illegal, and no one wants to go to jail.
Because you'd be in jail.
If you make a coin ring. Some people still think that, right? But let me tell you something. It's not illegal to make coin rings. Now, you can make a ring just like this at home with just a couple tools. Now, I'm going to leave the article in the link below, but I'm going to show you exactly how to make it from Wiki How to Do Anything, okay? First you want to do is take a coin. You can get yourself a quarter, right? And the first thing you want to do is make sure it's at least 80% silver, okay? You can get a nice 1964 quarter or a 1964 half dollar, which is 90% silver, okay? So now that you have that in your possession, you want to make sure you have a hammer. That's all you need. You want to make sure that you put it on an anvil or a nice hard surface. And you want to take the hammer and you want to tap. Just tap the edges nice and softly. Just tap them. And what you want to do is flatten that area out, okay? The next thing you want to do, once you flatten everything out, tapping it with the hammer, you want to take a drill. But before you do that, you want to find the center of that coin, okay? Once you find the center, you want to mark it, then take your drill. You want to place the coin on a surface and take the drill and drill that center portion. Once you get the hole there, you want to take a file, okay? Take a file, like they call it a needle file, okay? And you want to file the inside area, just like so. This is a shilling. It's a nice small coin for a small finger. Definitely not mine here, okay? Because that's real small. But it's like for a lady or maybe a child, right? So you can take the file and you want to file the area until everything is clean in the center, right? Then you want to make sure you fit. Make sure it's a nice fit. You don't want it too filed away because you want to make sure that it fits your finger. So make sure you check often, okay? And that's basically it. After that, you want to take some sandpaper and smooth out the reeded edge. Smooth it out real nice. And then you want to polish it up. Simple. Now, it's going to take you about 30 minutes or so to get this done. Probably a little longer, right? I'm going to do a video of this process. But for those who want to make a coin ring at home, it is possible. Okay, you can just use a couple tools. All you need is a hammer, a drill, and a file. Get some sandpaper, and then voila, you can polish it up, and you have a coin ring. Now, for those who don't want to go through that process, I understand. Look me up, JT Coin Rings. Come to this channel. Email me at jtcoinrings@gmail.com. I will make you a ring, okay? You can get one as affordable as $20, okay? So look your boy up. I can hook you up right there if you don't want to go through this process. But for those who have some adventure and in their blood and they want to try something out, I'm gonna leave the article below, Wiki How to Do Anything, and you can make yourself a cool little coin ring, So check it out. Guys, I'll check you out next video. Peace.